Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find archived or inarchived emails in your Gmail account. So first of all guys, go ahead and open up your Gmail application. And from over here, for example, I'm going to archive this email. What you need to do is just to select and hold that email and click on the archive button from over here at the top corner. And as you can see, the email has been archived. And you can also inarchive this particular email by click on undo button from over here. Otherwise, if you've missed that, all you need to do is to click on the menu at the top left corner. But as you guys can see, if you scroll down, you're not going to be able to find the archived email section, for example. But the solution you have is to click on all email section from over here. So now to know the archived email, you just need to click and hold that particular email. And you will not find the archive button at the top, as you can see, which means this is an archived email. If we select another email, for example, as you can see, we have the archive button at the top. So now, in order to inarchive an email, you just need to click and hold on the email that you already archived. As you can see, this is the email that you already archived. You need to just click on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on move to inbox from over here. And that's pretty much it. So hey guys, that is it for this video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, that would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching, until next time.